Hello there, and congratulations on taking the first step toward gaining financial control. It's important to remember that financial success is a journey, and there will be small milestones along the way to celebrate. If you find this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. Doing that really helps the channel grow so I can share this information with more people. When you first start saving, it's important to celebrate each time you reach a new milestone. It could be $500, $1,000, or even $10,000. Whatever it is, give yourself a pat on the back and acknowledge your progress. Another significant accomplishment is debt repayment. Paying off debt, whether it's a credit card, student loan, or car payment, can feel like a huge weight lifted off your shoulders. Celebrate every time you make a payment or pay off a balance in full. Don't forget to rejoice in small victories along the way. Perhaps you were able to avoid an impulse purchase, negotiate a better deal on a purchase, or find a way to reduce your monthly bills. These small victories may appear insignificant, but they can add up to significant savings over time. Celebrating financial milestones can help you stay motivated and on track to achieve your long-term objectives. It is critical to remember that financial success is more than just having a certain amount in your bank account. It is also about developing good financial habits and making progress toward your goals. So, whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off a credit card, or simply looking for ways to save money on everyday expenses, remember to celebrate each step along the way. You can do it.